How would you describe the quarter? You use a nice word to me, which sums it up.
Yes, I think a solid quarter, a quarter that will take us back to our guidance by the end of the year.
A solid quarter. So tell us, good morning to you, Mark. Tell us some of the highlights and the lowlights. And in particular, I want to focus on the strikes in Ivory Coast. How are they affecting your business at the moment?
So all records at Kibali and the DRC as we ramp up the underground. We commissioned the automation at the end of last year, and that's really trending quite a bit above our guidance for the year, and everything's worked out really well, which is fantastic.
So that's the highlight?
That's the highlight. And also a deal with the Mali government on tax to be able to support the development of the super pit at Gunkoto. That's another highlight. Again, you know, we really work on partnerships and our social license, and it doesn't protect you from some of the happenings in Africa, but it helps you get past them. And Tongon has been a challenging a mine since we built it. We built it in the north during the Civil War, and 30% of our workers are ex-Force Nouvelle cadres. And so
this
and
is
they've never
Coast.
really worked in Ivory Coast. They've never worked before. They work with us. It's part of the sort of integration back into society. And we've been dealing with some of a small group of people who feel their sort of view of problem solvers in the normal way, and so we've had to deal with that. And we actually suspended operations on the mine to sit down and clean it out and start again, and that's what we've done. And we'll have the mine back to normal sort of middle of this month, and we'll selectively re-employ and get on with it. We have a lot of support from the government and the traditional leadership in the area.
Mark, what does that do to some of your production estimates for 2018? Because obviously with the downgrade on Tonga, etc., the market's trying to re-establish where you are. You said to me, actually, we played catch-up in this quarter. So just give the market a view on your targets, your production estimates for the rest of the year as we close.
So our guidance is 1.3 to 1.35 million ounces on an attributable basis, and we're trending in the middle of that guidance at the moment. And the reason is because Kibali is ahead and it's offsetting the lower guidance, or the lowering of the guidance at Tongon.
And so how are you coping with changes in Congo in terms of the mining code? What's the big challenge there?
We're still very much involved in a discussion, because you know that new code broke a whole lot of vested rights and state guarantees. But we are engaged, as we've indicated last year, and I'm confident, as I've said on many occasions, that we'll find a solution, just like we've done in Mali.
Mark, we saved the best to last. I caught up with one of the jewellery producers down here in Saudi Arabia this morning. He's talking about gold between $1,200, $1,300. The shorts are building. Where's it going to go to in the next 6 months? Come on, you should know more than a jewellery producer.
It's going to go up. It's definitely going to go up, man.
You're talking your book. You're talking your book,
you
Mark.
Just look at
where's it going to go to?
Look at the news this morning. It's going to go up.
1,300, 1,400, 1,500, make a call.
I think it'll be certainly up towards 1,300, if not above, by the end of the year.